Do it. Take it loose. Hush, stop crying and take it loose. Okay. Hey, guys. Hi. All right. We're the admins for this group. My name is Jeanne.
I'm Cassandra.
And we are here. I know we said we're going to be doing sublimation tutorials. And just a lot of different craft tutorials. So we have a lot of different hats as it pertains to crafts. We do a lot of different crafts. But our main focus is sublimation and how to do sublimation. What types of, what all you need to do sublimation and things of that nature. So what we're going to do today is we're unboxing, where is it? We are unboxing a heat press machine, which is perfect for sublimation, especially all over sublimation. All over sublimation is like when you see the shirts and the design takes over the entire front of the shirt. The entire, that is an all over design. So what we have in this crate is a 16 by 24 inch flat bed heat press. And okay, how we're gonna get this? Excuse me, Jack. All right. And a 16 by 24 is a great start, a good investment, and a great start into sublimating larger objects. Because if not, you get shirt orders for people who wear, my size, extra large, 2X or whatever. You have to move around the t-shirt and whatnot in order to get the design. But when you get these larger heat presses, it is much easier because you don't have to move the shirt around, you just lay it flat. Okay, I'm gonna tell you that right now. This thing is heavy. Oh, Jesus. Grab on the side. Grab the side. All right, cut it out. Cut it out. If you don't look, be quiet. I'm sorry. Okay, that. All right, you gonna open it, Sammy? How do you stop this from moving? You gotta tighten it on the side that you want to stop. This? Yeah. So, let me see. Watch out, girl. I'm trying to see if it's showing. Okay, stop it showing. Watch out, Judy. Still.
To the left, to the right, to the right. Now kick, now walk up by yourself. Walk up by yourself.
All right. You have scissors in? Yeah, I'm about to get it. Okay. Instead of folding it down more, we're going to just back it up some to try to get the whole design in there. All right, y'all. Well, trying to get everything so y'all can see everything. Now, we have another heat press, but it's a lot smaller than this one. And in order to do like bigger projects, you need a bigger heat press. Oh my God. So with this size heat press, you can take your shirt, (100% polyester t-shirt, and as you can see, majority of the shirt is covered, is on the heat press. The majority of it is on there. So in order to do a all over shirt, we may just need to do like 2 presses when we put the sheet on there. So we are going to start next week. I know the week that I posted that I was going to do. Was it that right here? Just so. Huh? I am trying. We said that we're going to do a tutorial. Lead it up some. Okay, so we had said we're going to do a tutorial like last week, I believe, on sublimation, and the weather was bad and knocked my internet out, so I couldn't do it. So what we're going to do is start our tutorials showing how to do sublimation. What you need to do sublimation is a heat press. You don't have to have the 16 by 24 right now. Start with what you have. You need a sublimation printer. We have 2. We have an Epson EcoTank 4500, and we have a converted Canon. Is it Canon? That's Epson. That's Epson? Oh yeah, Epson 7720.
Oh, wow.
You need sublimation ink. So you need a printer that you can sublimate with. The EcoTank printers are the best printers because they don't come with cartridges that you feel. It has why would you call that?
They have tanks.
Yeah, they have little tanks for each color, and you just pour, instead of pouring the regular printing ink in it, you'll pour your sublimation ink in it, and bam, you have yourself a sublimation printer. You need sublimation blanks, 100% polyester, or at least no less than a 65% polyester cotton blend, but it has to be at least 65% polyester. The colors won't be as bold as if you use 100% polyester, but you'll still get a good quality print with a 65% polyester blank. Because you got 2 seconds. You see I'm recording. And leave that stuff alone. Leave it alone. So you need the heat press. You need a printer. You need the sublimation ink. You need a blank. You need something polyester. You need paper, sublimation paper. You can get it from, I started off with A-Sub. I buy blanks galore. A-Sub, Qualah. To me, it doesn't really matter, right? I mean, I'm testing out different papers right now. Those are the 3 that I use. Huh?
Butcher paper?
You need some butcher paper to cover over your design, and you're gonna need something to go inside your print so the ink don't bleed through. Oh, the butcher paper. Okay, whatever. I forgot. And then you need butcher paper or your I like to use butcher paper on inside and on top. I don't want to use my stuff that I use for the vinyl when I do sublimation. Wear a mask. In my opinion, when you put that heat press, that hot heat press down, and that ink start getting hot, it does release like a little slight fume. So I like to wear a mask just in case it's toxic. I don't want it in my body. What else? What else you need?
A ruler.
You need a ruler to make sure you're centering your design.
And to make sure you're making your design big enough, but we'll go over that when we start making
You need design software. You do not need Photoshop right now. Photoshop is good, but you can use, I do not have a Cricut. I have a Silhouette Cameo. And from my understanding, you can use the Silhouette Cameo design software and then print it out. No, I'm talking about print it. Girl, I'm thinking Cricut. Yeah. I'm saying you can just download it for free. You don't have to have the Silhouette in order to have the in order to use design software. You can just go to the Silhouette website.
You can also use Publisher if you have Microsoft. Publisher works well.
You can use Microsoft Publisher. You can use Inkscape, which is also free design software. We use Photoshop, but for the most part, I use the Silhouette Design Studio to design my objects. But we're going to be doing a series of tutorials, just showing different things,
crafts.
Different crafts, tumblers, how to do the sublimation tumblers. If you want to do sublimation tumblers, you need all the stuff that we said except for the heat press. You need a convection oven, one of them like countertop convection ovens. But once you use it for sublimation, don't use it for food again. It becomes toxic because of the fumes from the ink. We do what is that? Resin tumblers. We do resin crafts. We do, I mean, it's a number of things.
Sewing crafts.
Sewing, jewelry. We're gonna be doing tutorials on all of it. All of it. Well, beginning tutorials. Just to get you started in there. We'll even talk to you guys about how to sell your stuff. I mean, it's easy to create your crafts, but it's a totally different ball game when you're trying to sell it. We've been in this selling crafts for a good, 20 years? Been selling crafts, actually longer than that.
Yeah.
Because as kids, we're from New Orleans. My mom used to make Mardi Gras ball gowns and wedding ball gowns. We've been doing this pretty much all our life, sewing and crafting and all this other stuff. So we just want to share what we know with everybody else.
Mama, you wish this.
You better not eat that.
Okay, so
No. It's not delicious.
So, I mean, that's basically it. You know, tips on how to grow your business, how to grow.
We even do some simple upholstery and what would you call it?
Like decorating,
Reuse.
like because we're gonna take this box and turn it into an ottoman.
Yeah, I don't know what we
Yeah, we're gonna turn this into an ottoman.
Okay.
You know, just stuff like that. We go on heavy trash. We go dumpster diving, and we grab stuff and repurpose it. I'm not giving people all my money for stuff that I can do on my own. And crafting is therapeutic for me. It helps me with my anxiety. And hey, I just want to share what I know with you guys. So this is our big baby. That's a new name. This is Big Baby. And today is Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all going out of town. So next Wednesday, we are going to design a shirt, and then we're going to sublimate it. We're going to design a shirt and sublimate it. And if you guys have questions on where to buy your blanks from, let us know. We'll share where we get all of our stuff from, especially our sublimation blanks. We'll teach you guys how to make sublimation earrings and bracelets and all kind of stuff.
You'll be surprised at how much you'll be using
your sublimation stuff. And you can get, I say get a smaller sublimation machine as well, because not every project gonna need this big bad boy. And we're not even trying to stop here. It's a huge one that you can put a 3X shirt on. It don't have any hangover, and that's what I want eventually. But you know, you gotta start off small and work your way up. But I mean, thank you guys for joining our group. And for those of you guys who did not get to see this live, it will be. We'll add it to the group, and it'll be on our Facebook. Not on Facebook. What is that thing called? No. It's going to be on our Instagram, which is Jacquot Jems on Instagram. And it'll be on YouTube. So we'll drop a link to all of that inside the group. So you guys, let's go ahead and get to sublimating, get to making this money. Y'all see how the economy with this COVID just screwed a lot of people up. I'm not gonna lie, but I can safely say that being a crafter really saved us from going under. We were pumping out 400 and 500 masks. Not even a mask that you sublimate, because we started sublimating halfway into almost toward the end of the year. Yeah. We were on the sewing machine. We were sewing the mask, heat pressing designs on them, and shipping them out. We had an assembly line, 400 and 500 orders a day. So crafting saved us, because a lot of people, I know a lot of people who are on the verge of losing their houses, losing their cars, and because unemployment wasn't enough to pay all of their bills, and they didn't have enough saved. Because like, who would think that you're gonna have a pandemic that's over a year long? Yeah. You know, you might think something will happen and you'll save, because most people say save 3 months. Have about 3 to 6 months saved up to live off of. Well, if you did that, what happens to the last 6 months of the year? Because we've been out of it for over a year. But once again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you're watching this from my YouTube channel, thank you guys for